Hello, this is Mike Poore, Superintendent of Little Rock Schools. I hope that all of you receiving this message today are having a good day. I hope that your families are well. Today, I am sharing with all of you in kind of advance action that I'm proposing to our Little Rock Board of Education. And that is specifically to file a lawsuit to say that Act 1002 is unconstitutional. Now, some context. First, our Governor Asa Hutchinson, has done a great job of trying to navigate all sorts of information, receiving information in from the medical community, receiving information in from school districts, and also listening to a variety of stakeholders. Yesterday, he made an announcement that we have an emergency within our state. He also shared that he was going to take action specifically regarding hospitals as well as action towards school districts. And that means that we're going to have to reconvene the state legislature. My hope is that the state legislature will take the appropriate action to repeal 1002 and allow school districts to formulate their own policy related to mask. But the but is, I'm not confident that that will occur. This lawsuit allows us a place in order to take this situation to the judicial branch to act on 1002. There are four aspects that we believe are unconstitutional within the direction that our state legislator took last spring. Those things are outlined in our lawsuit. You'll be able to see those elements in the draft document for the lawsuit, as well as my executive summary to the board. I'm asking our board to review these materials and then to be able to come together next Wednesday to discuss this on August 4th and potentially take action. The elements of this really go back into how do we best protect our kids? How do we make sure that our staff is safe at the same time? We have vaccines that are obviously the number one factor that can create safety in any setting, yet even with the great effort within the district, we're just over 70% of our staff who've received a vaccine. The numbers for our students who've received a vaccine of 12 and higher is much lower, could be really about 10%. Those are numbers that I can't nail down, but that's our belief in terms of who's accessed our own vaccine clinics. We need every single tool that we can have within our school district to protect children and families. If you look at it, mask mandates are already in place within the hospital community. They're even being put in place in the federal court system. So this is a common sense approach, and in my mind, local control should dictate mask compliance. And we can actually work to determine when to maybe back off of that mask compliance if we have local authority. So it's in our best interest, and we are taking stock of your comments. We appreciate the survey data that you've provided us. We had over 4,000 individuals that responded to our survey, and the vast number of people said that they were going to have their children wear masks this coming year. We know that there's work to be done within our Ready for Learn team to execute if in fact we're successful in the court system, or even if the state legislature does in fact overturn Act 1002. It's important that everyone go dive into those documents this weekend. Dive into them. If you have thoughts, you can share it with our board, you can share it with me, and we will make sure to take stock of it. This is an emotional issue, and it should be. And I will say that it should be an emotional issue because we should be doing everything within our power to protect our young people. Students that are 12 years and younger, the vaccine's not even a possibility right now. Mask can help us, along with all the other things that we did last year to try to create a safe learning environment. I hope that as you take stock of the facts that are out there right now about the increased cases tied to the Delta variant, the intensity of those who are testing positive, of the illnesses that they're feeling and exhibiting, You look at what's going on within the hospitals of them being stretched. We should do everything we can as a school district to promote wellness. Thank you for your attention on this video. Please know that the documents will be out on the afternoon of the 30th of July, that's today, and we look forward to hearing your feedback.